Foods to avoid for managing high cholesterol. Saturated fat-rich foods. Fatty cuts of red meat, for example, beef, lamb, pork. Processed meats, for example, sausages, hot dogs, bacon. Full-fat dairy products, for example, whole milk, cheese, butter. Fried foods, for example, French fries, fried chicken. Because saturated fats raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels in the blood, increasing the risk of heart disease. Trans fat-containing foods. Partially hydrogenated oils, commonly found in many packaged snacks and baked goods. Trans fats not only raise LDL cholesterol, but also lower HDL, good cholesterol, making them especially harmful to heart health. High cholesterol. Foods. Organ meats, for example, liver, kidneys. Egg yolks. Limit to 3-4 per week if advised. Foods high in cholesterol can contribute to elevated blood cholesterol levels, affecting heart health. High sodium foods, highly salted snacks, for example, potato chips, salted nuts. Canned soups and processed foods, often high in sodium. High sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Refined carbohydrates and sugary foods, sugary snacks and desserts, for example, cakes, cookies, pastries. Sugary beverages, for example, soda, sweetened juices. Diets high in refined carbohydrates and sugar can contribute to weight gain and unhealthy cholesterol levels. Limit alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can impact cholesterol levels, so moderation is advised. Excessive alcohol intake can raise triglyceride levels and contribute to higher cholesterol levels. Fast food and commercially baked goods. Fast food items are often high in unhealthy fats, salt, and refined carbohydrates. These foods often contain high levels of unhealthy fats, contributing to elevated cholesterol and heart disease risk. Remember, it's important to focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. These provide fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients that support heart health. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat. Whole grains contain fiber and nutrients that help lower cholesterol levels. Lean proteins. Choose lean sources like skinless poultry, fish, beans, and legumes. Lean protein sources are lower in saturated fat and promote heart health. Healthy fats include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats help improve cholesterol levels and overall heart health. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.